Everyone, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you the easiest restaurant website builder on the market. It's called Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month, so it's super cheap and affordable to create a simple professional website for your restaurant. So this is the easiest website builder because I'm going to show you exactly how to walk through the process, and you'll see that you can literally have a restaurant website ready in just a couple minutes. So I'm just going to type in restaurant. You can see there are all these different templates just depending on your restaurant type. But I'm just going to click here on the general restaurant template for now to get started, and you can do the same thing if you don't see the specific one for your type of restaurant. Then the website builder starts by asking you a few simple questions. So I'm just going to enter my information, Keegan's new restaurant. And then I'm going to put this where I'm located and type of business. This is a restaurant, so I'm going to click continue. Now I can put in my contact information for my restaurant, and I can add my email address and then click continue. Now let me put in my address. So I'll just put in a test address at the moment, but you would put in your actual address and then put in a zip code and click continue. Now it asks me what time my restaurant's open. So I just go in here and I can put in, let's just say I'm open from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then let's just say on Friday, I'm open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Same on Saturday. And then let's just say on Sunday, I'm open a few less hours, 11 to 7. Once that is all done, once you're done with the questionnaire, it's going to ask you if it looks good. If so, you can click the next button. And just like that, Mighty Sites is going to actually deploy a simple professional template for your website or for your restaurant. So just like that, you can have a website for your restaurant up and running in almost no time. And all you need to do is make some simple edits to it from here. So let me show you exactly how that works. So if I go up here to the update section, I just click on this button. I can decide to show my email on the site if I want. I can edit any of my contact information. I can add my social media profiles. So you just simply type in your social media profiles or just copy and paste the links to your social media like I am doing here. I'm just typing them in. Click save. Now my social media links are included. I can change the colors of the template. So if I prefer a different color theme that fits my restaurant logo or vibe better, I can just switch through all the different tons of restaurant themes and just change the color theme of my website to something that I prefer. And then once I find something that I really like, I can choose that. Once I find something I like, just save it. I'm good to go. You can always go in and switch the colors at any time you want to. You can see this order online button here. If I go to update section, I can actually change that to link to if I have order online available through Toast or another platform like Google Business Profile, something like that. I can just link to it. If I want, I can link to somewhere else on my website. But let's just say I want people to call to order. Maybe I'll just change that to click to call me, and it'll say order. And when they click on it, or maybe I'll put in place an order, and when they click on that button, it just calls my restaurant. So it makes it really nice call to action. See the hero text is there. I can change that if I want to. I just simply type in something new here and it'll be the exact new information for me. So I can just save that, close. That looks good. And go down here. If somebody clicks on get directions, it just opens right up with directions to my restaurant, has my hours listed on the site. I can change any of these images just by browsing from my computer and upload a different image of my restaurant that I prefer. I can also upload a logo here, which is really nice and easy to do. Just upload a logo from my computer. If I don't have a logo, I can go over here to Canva and just create a logo. It's really simple to do. Just go over and create a logo. It's canva.com. It's really cheap too and easy to use. So I'll just type in restaurant logo. So there we go. Let's just say this fits for my restaurant logo. That's pretty cool. I'm going to type in restaurant logo Keegan, and then I'm going to download this and download it as a JPEG. And as soon as that downloads, I'll jump back over here, browse, and upload my logo that I just downloaded. So restaurant logo. It'll upload right here, and I'm going to show you some cool logo and photo editing tools. So I'm just going to save that. Now I can click on these buttons to make it bigger, or click on this to make it smaller. Now it looks like I probably want to crop this a little bit, so I'm going to click on this little pencil here. And when I do that, I can actually access these cropping tools to just simply make edits to my logo, but you can do this for any images too. And there are also filters, there are fine tuning tools, decorate. This is all built in for editing your images and your logo. So I'm just going to re-upload that by clicking save. Now the logo is a little bigger. I can make it bigger still if I want, make it smaller. I think that looks pretty good. And so now I've got a nice logo included for my business website. I can scroll down here, upload my menu. So there's a nice little menu button here. So I'm just going to choose link. I'll choose a PDF. I'll upload, and you can see how easy this is to use so far. I don't have to do any coding. I don't have to deal with any complicated website builder. It's just simple and straightforward. What I see is what I get. Just upload a new menu for my business, confirm, save it, close, and now I've got, if somebody clicks on this, it'll open up my menu for my restaurant too. So you can actually scan QR code to link to that as well. If you want to update any text, it's all pre-written for you, but you can go in here and say, this is the easiest website builder for restaurants. So I can type that in, save it, close. And so if you want to edit any of the text, add any background, change any of these photos, it's really easy to do. And once it's all set, you can actually just click on stop editing at the top to see what your website will look like without having those update buttons there. You can always just click on activate editing mode to get them back. If you click on stop editing and return to your site dashboard, then you can just connect your custom domain really simply and easily. So it'll provide you with instructions to complete the connection for Google domains, GoDaddy, Domain.com, all of the major providers. You can go in here and update the hours right in the back end. You can also update your social media links. You can update your location information. It's all just here, nice and easy for you. And again, this is only $9 a month. That includes everything I've shown you so far, but a really simple, easy website builder for restaurants, so you can get started and launch your website for your restaurant quickly and easily today. Give it a try. There's a 7-day free trial.